Hello and welcome to our distributive property video. This video will teach you how to use the distributive property. Distributive property states that the number or variable outside a set of parentheses can be multiplied by each of the numbers or variables that are inside the parentheses. Normally when using the order of operations, we would, in this particular proof here, we would add first and then multiply by 2. So let's do that. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. Now, by using the distributive property, I can prove that we will come up with the same answer by taking this 2 that's outside of the parentheses and multiplying it times each one of these numbers inside the parentheses. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 2 times 4 is 8, and 6 plus 8 is also 14. Now, if we just have numbers in the parentheses, we would not use the distributive property. The distributive property comes in handy when we include variables outside or inside the parentheses, and we want to clear out our parentheses. So in the next few slides, we'll see some examples of how we'll use the distributive property. This one, we have 3x plus 2 times the difference of y and 4. So 3x plus 2 times y minus 4. To clear out these parentheses, we can use the distributive property by taking this positive 2 and multiplying it times each one of these terms inside the parentheses here. So that'll look like, if we expand it out, and you really don't have to show this step, but to expand it out, we would say 2 times y, and then positive 2 times negative 4. So we have 3x, it stays the same. 2 times y is simply 2y. And 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. So we can simply write that as minus 8. And that would be our answer. Now, we don't have any like terms here, so we would leave our expression just like this. Okay? All right, let's have a look at this one. We have 3 times 2x minus 3y plus 4z. So we're going to take this 3 that was outside of the parentheses, and we're going to distribute to each one of the terms on the inside of the parentheses. So again, if you want to expand it out, that would look like positive 3 times 2x plus 3, since the 3 was positive out here, times negative 3y. And then again, positive 3 from the outside there, times the positive 4z. And yes, that is a z. So now we'll take this 3 and multiply it times each one of those. 3 times 2x, we just have to multiply the 3 times the 2. It gives us 6x. 3 times negative 3y, positive times a negative would give us a negative 9y. And 3 times 4z, both of those are positive, so we'll stay positive, 12z. Again, all of my variables are different in my terms, so I don't have any like terms, so that would be my answer. All right. Now, in the other two problems, we've had a positive number to distribute. If you have a problem that's set up like this one, 4 minus 3 times 2x minus 4y, you're going to treat this 3 as a negative 3. You're going to keep that sign that's in front of it, and you're going to distribute that to each one of those. So again, if you want to expand it out, that would look like 4 minus 3 times 2x, and then again minus 3, since that was a negative 3 there, times negative 4y, since there was a minus in front of the 4y. So negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 4y is negative times negative again. So that makes a positive 12y. Again, no like terms. So we would stop there. All right, let's try one more of these problems. All right, this one we have 3 times the sum of x and 2 plus 4 times the sum of x and 1. So 3 times x plus 2 plus 4 times x plus 1. So here we would have to use the distributive property twice. So we have 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 2 is positive 6. Positive 4 times x is positive 4x, or plus 4x. Positive 4 times positive 1 is positive 4, or just plus 4. Now here in this expression that we have left, you notice that we have some like terms. That's right, 3x and 4x are like terms, and then our regular numbers are like terms. So we can combine those like terms and if you want to rearrange it, you can, but you don't have to. The 3x plus the 4x would become 7x. The 6 plus the 4 would become 10. So 7x plus 10 would be our resulting answer. All right, that's it for the distributive property. Just take whatever is on the outside and distribute to each term that is on the inside. Hope this video was helpful to you.